If you want to make money online, you need other people's money in your pocket. I will show you how expertreviews.co.uk are doing it for years and making $1 million to $5 million in the process. This video is free, this system is free, anyone can do it from anywhere in the world and get paid in any method. PayPal, bank transfer, crypto, you choose. And the best of the best part, I'm going to give you my software for free. Link will be in the description that will allow you to make money using this system. And the software is free, by the way. You ready for this? Let's do this. And before we begin, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This is the best way you inspire us to make more videos like this. So step number 1, we will spy on this website and get insider information using a paid software called Ubersuggest. We pay monthly subscription fees to Ubersuggest, but my viewers will get all the analysis data as a bonus for free for watching this video, so keep watching. Now go to the traffic section and click top pages by traffic and put the website address, and you will see all the pages of this website that are getting all these traffic. Wow, we know everything now, exactly which page is getting how much traffic. You will get all this data as a free bonus for watching this video. This is literally golden information. Now you might be asking, oh my god, this is a website and they have a lot of content. How can I have a website and have content like this? Don't worry, we got you covered with Maven, our private software. We simply copy paste free links and then use the built-in artificial intelligence in the software to create content for us, and then we do a few little edits here and there to match our taste and get our content ready in under 3 minutes. This is one of our applications that users love because they get results fast. Step number 2, let's analyze the first article and find their secret sauce. This article is a product review that was published just a month ago and already getting over 8,000 visitors per month. For us, on average, each visitor generates $5. Considering the same results for them that they are also making $5 from each visitor, this means they have already made $40,000 from this content alone. These guys are really smart, intelligent. Look at the topic they have selected. Hundreds of thousands of people search on Google for this topic. Don't worry, you don't need Ubersuggest. I will give you all this data as free as a bonus for watching this video. But the good news is now you can have Maven to create content for you, and I will show you how Maven makes money in a moment. But before we go there, let's review the secret of all the income of this website. So the secret is product reviews attract customers who are ready to buy something but looking for more information before pressing the buy button. If they love your information, your content, they will buy from your link. Most of the time, you don't need to do the selling. They are already pre-sold. They are looking for more information or just validating their decision. Even if they don't buy immediately, the moment they click your affiliate link, a tracking file called cookie is dropped on their computers. And if they buy later, you will still get commission through that cookie. Clever, right? This is completely legal. Since we started publishing product reviews, we never had to look back in affiliate marketing, and we make $5 from each visitor, which means we made $5,000 from every 1,000 visitors that visit our page or watch our videos. Step number 3, to look at the money potential of this system, go to Amazon. Search with the same keyword, we are using PS4 controller, and found 10,000 plus products. If they make $40,000 from reviewing one product, think about how much they will make reviewing 10,000 products. Did you see the income potential here? Considering hundreds of thousands of products across Amazon, Amazon, Walmart, Commission Junction, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. All you need is Maven, link in the description, and start publishing product review content. So step number 4, let's make a detailed PS4 review using Maven. By the way, Maven link is in the description. I told you many times before, go get it anytime you want. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family. Not only you are learning how to make money online, but by sharing, you will also help others learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And everybody is getting access to all the resources that I have shared, all the education that we have shared, and our softwares for free. So go ahead, share this video with your friends and family. This way everybody gets notified when we will upload our next money making video. Here's the bonus. PS4 controller is a super hot topic, so we thought, why not we make a blog post for ourselves using Maven. And let me show you how we made this awesome blog post in under 3 minutes. Let's make a PS4 controller blog post under 3 minutes. We are on my software Maven. First, click the add blog button. Copy the web address of the article we want to hijack. Paste it right here on Maven and click the create button. Add a blog title and then let's add a blog image. We're going to upload a new image from our hard drive. Select this image and click open. And the image is added. Now let's do some text editing. Select this text and make it bold. Then select this text and put it on center. To add an affiliate link, select this text, click this link button, and let's say this is our affiliate link. For an example, paste it right here. We want this to open in a new window. Done. Let's add some headlines. Select this text, turn it into headline type 3. And we can do as much text editing as we want. Once we are happy, just click the save button and our settings is saved. Now the full text is here, but this text is not ours. To make it ours, we need to rewrite it using artificial intelligence. And for that, we're gonna click this spinner button. This spinner will rewrite the content in the background. The job is done, so click save and the content is saved. We can always add more elements by clicking this plus button. Let's add a video. For that, we just need to copy the URL of the video and paste it right here and click add. And the video is added to the blog post instantly. We can add image from all different sources. Let's add one image from Pixabay. Search with the keyword in this box. Click the search button and all different options showed up. Just select one and immediately that image is added to the blog post. So easy. Just like that, we can add as many images, as many videos as we want. And once we are happy, click the save button and the blog post is saved. Now this section is totally optional. You can fill these informations in for search engine optimization purposes. When you are happy, click the publish now button or a publish later button to publish later, and you can click this view button anytime you want. It will take you to your brand new blog post and look at the awesome blog post that you have just created. So awesome. If you are still here, we have a bonus for you that will make you money using Ubersuggest. Look at Ubersuggest and go to keyword suggestion, keyword ideas, and then click search by website tab and put the website link here. Hit enter and you will find all the top keywords that are sending them all the traffic. These keywords are golden keywords. Each of these keywords can send you thousands of visitors and make you money. I'm downloading this one and dropping the link in the description. You are going to get this list and the other lists that we have shown already from the description. This is a bonus for watching this video. All you need now is traffic. Traffic is super easy. My traffic software link is in the description. This will get you free traffic to your website. Go get my traffic software and start getting results. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way without wasting time and effort and opportunity. So hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and please do one favor. Share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you help them learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. Everybody's getting access to all this information we have shared, all the education we have shared, all the resources that we have shared in the description, and of course everybody's getting access to our software for free. So go ahead, share this video, and we will see you in the next video.